Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video will show you how to add strike-through text in Canva. Are you looking for a way to add a strike-through in your text in Canva? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, first things first, whether you're using a PC, Mac, laptop, or even a mobile, open your any browser that you like, or in your mobile, open the Canva app and open Canva. So now we are in Canva, right? And you can do this document, whiteboard, journal, A4, like any Canva template where you could add text, right? So I clicked on doc, and this is where we land, right? So for you to have a strike through in your text, you need to have text. So like you need to have the here. So the very first way and the main way to add a strike through is just highlight your text, and then you can see this S with a line in the middle. It says strike through. Click on that. There you go. That's pretty much it. There's a second way, and I'll show you. So click on the list 3 times until you see the checkbox. So 1, 2, 3. This is the checkbox. Click on it. Bam. There you go. That's another strike through. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.